Okay, so using columns, the single column and double column. I mean, this is technically a single column right here, having your document as what looks like a normal document. And now, so that we can see what's going on, I'm going to click this little paragraph button here. That will show you everything that's going on. It shows you right now all of the endings of the paragraphs to begin new paragraphs. So as I'm doing things, we can see what's happening as it happens. So under layout, we have this option of columns. One column, two columns, sends everything to two columns, but you may not want everything as two columns. So I have my little cursor here. Say I wanted all of this to be as it is, and then start the column here. There is more columns, and you can say, well, I want two columns, but I don't want the whole document. I want this point forward. Now, when you do that, you will see this starts a little section break right here of continuous, which means right here we've got the two columns, and they will start out as continuous. And if you put a section break of continuous at the end, over here we will go to breaks and go to continuous, then it evens everything out. Now, as we have everything evened out on both sides, say we didn't want these section breaks. We want to do something different. Well, you put your cursor at the beginning of the break, not the end, and don't press the backspace key, press the delete key, and that will get rid of your section breaks. And you'll say, okay, I don't want any of that extra stuff. So now we'll go back to here. So that's one way to, sorry, let's do for the whole document. So we're going to put this back the way it was. So that's one way to set up your document. And we'll get rid of this continuous too. I thought I did. There we go. So that's one way to have these be columns and these not. Now, another way to do it would be, we did our columns. Oh no, everything is two columns. We can highlight what we want to be one column, and then go here and say, well, this we want one column, and it starts the section break here as well. So those are two different ways to get your single column to two columns, depending on where you want your columns to start, and also how you can even it out at the end. You do have to have continuous at the beginning and at the end to make sure the columns are even. So that's fun with columns, single column and double column, or two columns.